Hi, my name is Darby, and I teach third grade. And as I've taken this student choice and agency class for the flipped classroom, one of the biggest takeaways I have is the student engagement and ownership of their work. They love to have a personalized playlist and work on things that they're choosing, even though we're all kind of learning about the same thing. For example, we're all learning about main idea, but we have several different playlists going on depending on the student. And they like to be able to make their choices and rotate through what they want to do and then to show their learning. They're more excited about sharing their learning and talking about what they're learning when they've gotten to choose the activity that they wanted to do to learn. There's Achievement has gone up. We started really not understanding main idea and details at all to now I would say that 85% of my students are able to clearly define details from a story and then put those together and synthesize them into a main idea, which is exciting after about 3 weeks of work and choosing their things. So I'm excited to continue this student choice in lots of other content areas from now on.